Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for LastPass, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the LastPass website by typing lastpass.com into your web browser. On the home page, locate the Get LastPass Free button. Click the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page offering various plans. For beginners, select the free option to start with no cost. Click the Sign Up Free button associated with the free plan. A registration form will appear, requiring your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong master password to secure your account. Ensure your master password is memorable but difficult to guess. Re-enter your master password to confirm it. After confirming your password, read the LastPass Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Check the box indicating that you accept the terms. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email to confirm your address. Check your email inbox for a message from LastPass. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to LastPass for final setup. You may be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once everything is set up, you'll be taken to your LastPass vault. Here, you can begin adding your passwords and other sensitive information. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for LastPass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.